Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, as you know that we have started the revision of chapter number 2, system of real numbers, exponents and radicals. Okay, this chapter belongs to arithmetic section and I am your mathematics teacher, Miss Falaknath. This is your reinforcement lecture and very important lecture. All of you, please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, now what we are going to review today, exercise number 2.6 and 2.7. Okay, I'm just going to solve only one question from both exercises and then you will attempt the questions and as well as objectives. So question is simplify this one and then you have this question as well. So I'm going to explain these questions with the help of video. So please tell me, is it clear or not? Okay, now clear? Okay, now let's start. Look at here. What do you have question here? You have to simplify this one. Okay, what you have to simplify, what you have here, 81 m raised to the power minus 8 and raised to the power 4, 1 upon 4. Okay, it has whole power 1 upon 4. Okay, if we talk about this 4, okay, if you talk about this fourth is the fourth root. Okay, you can write this 4 into this form as well, under root 4. Okay, so this 4 is basically index. Okay, this 4 is basically index. You can write it down in this form. Just suppose it can be 81 m minus 8 and 4, or you can write it down in this form, 81 m minus 8 and 4 bracket 1 upon 4. So this 4 is basically the index. Okay, this is basically the index. So what does it mean? That you have to take the fourth power of the given number, which is 81. Okay, now how will you start? You will write down here the heading of solution. Okay, you will write down heading of solution here. Now what question is given to you? Question here is 81 m minus 8 and 4, 1 upon 4. Right, this is the index, means you have to take here the fourth power of 81. So how will you get 81? Means which number are you going to multiply 4 times so that your answer is 81? Just suppose if I'm going to multiply 3 by 4 times, so what it will be? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So we will write here 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4, right? And then it will be m minus 8 and 4, and it has whole power which is 1 upon 4. Okay, now what you have here, inside the bracket you have 3 powers and it has a whole power which is 1 upon 4. So you know you always multiply power with the power. So separately you are going to multiply each power with 1 upon 4. Okay, individually you are going to multiply each power with 1 upon 4. How? You will write it down here just like this, 3 raised to the power 4, 1 upon 4. Okay, then m minus 8 whole power 1 upon 4 and n raised to the power 4 whole power 1 upon 4. Okay, पावर से क्या हो रही है, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, पावर्स आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ ईच पावर. सो हाउ विल यू मल्टीप्लाई? 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4. What will be left here? Only 1. Okay, 4 into 1 is 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So answer will be minus 2. Okay, and it will be 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, right? So what will be left here? You will left here with 3 raised to the power 1. No need to write here 1. Next is this m raised to the power minus 2, or n, only one power is left, so no need to write here 1. Okay, now this is minus 2. So what you will do, when you will shift it towards the denominator, it will be plus 2. So you will write it here 3m, sorry, 3, you will write here 3n upon m square. Okay, denominator, when you are shifting anything from numerator to denominator, their power, their sign will be changed. If it is in addition, so it will be subtracted. Now here it is in subtractive form in denominator, so when you are shifting it towards the numerator denominator, so it will become plus 2. Okay, so answer, this will be your answer, 3m upon m square. This is your answer. Clear? Listen to me again. What you have here, question is 81. Just a minute. Okay. Now, question here is 81, m minus 8 and 4 raised to the power 1 upon 4. And what I have told you here, that this 4 is basically your index. Okay, this 4 is basically your index. So fourth index, fourth root hai. So what does it mean, fourth root hai? So you have to take the fourth power of the given number. Okay, you cannot write here in this form 3 multiply by 3, it is equals to 3 square, and then you will write 3 square. You have to take the fourth power, so you will write here 3 raised to the power 4, and then this one, which is m minus 8 and 4, and then 1 upon 4. Okay, this is 1 upon 4 and it is the whole power, so it will multiply it with each power which is present inside the bracket. So separately you will multiply each power with 1 upon 4. Understand? Clear? Then you will simply cancel it. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and here you have minus 8, so answer will be minus 2. Okay, again 4 multiply by 1 upon 4, so 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Now what will be left here? 3 raised to the power 1, so no need to write here 1. Then m minus 2, and that's it. Okay, so answer will be 3n. Okay, this is minus 2, so you will shift it towards the denominator, so it will become plus 2. So answer will be 3n upon m square. This is your final answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please write it down in the chat box. Is it clear? Hmm? Okay, may I move on to the next one? Okay. Now, look at here. What is your next question? Next example here is, next example here is from 2.7, fourth root 256 A4, B4 and C4. Okay. Now we will start with the heading of what? With the heading of solution. Right. Now what is your question here? Your question here is basically fourth root 256 A4, B4 and C4. Okay. Now this fourth root can be written in this form as well, as you all know that 256 A4, B4, C4, and it has whole power 1 upon 4. Okay, आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, और you can write it down in this form as well. Okay, both mean same. So this is your index. Okay, this is your index. Now it means you have to take the fourth root of every term. Here you have 256. So 256 का क्या होगा? How many times you will multiply a number that your answer should be 256? How many times you should multiply 250, a number that your answer should be equals to 256? Everyone please reply. Okay, Fatma, right answer. What about other students? What about other students? You are going to multiply any number by 4 times. Okay, by 4 times. Just suppose if I am going to multiply here 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. 64 multiplied by 4 will be 256. So here we are multiplying 4 by 4 times, right? So what we will take here, we will write here 4 raised to the power 4. Then this A4, B4, C4 and whole power 1 upon 4. Right? Now, as you can see here, this is 4. As you can see here, inside the bracket you have so many powers, and it has whole power which is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is going to be multiplied with each power to the power ho. So what you will do, you will multiply it. Okay, now how will you multiply it? You will simply write 4 4 1 upon 4, then A4 bracket 1 upon 4, B4 bracket 1 upon 4, C4 bracket 1 upon 4. Now what you will do? Anyone please tell me what you will do here? What you will do here? Write down answer in the chat box. Please stop sleeping, everyone. I'm going to cut the powers. Okay, Zimel, what about others? Okay, Fatma. Other students, please reply. Fazia, Ishal, Anita, Hafsa, Meda, Sania, Zimel. Please reply, beta. Very good, Rumesa. Now simply cut the powers. We will do cancellation here. So simple cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Okay. Then 4 ones are 4, 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 4 ones are 4. Powers will be cancelled, so only one power will be left. So you will write your answer 4, A, B, and C. Why A, B, C? Because 4 has only one power, so no need to write here 1. A will be left with one power, so no need to write here 1. B will left with only one power, so you don't need to write here 1. Same goes for 6. So answer is 4, A, B, C. This is your answer. Okay. Now listen. If you have here uh, 27, 3. So what will be the answer of this one? What will be the answer of this one? 3 under root 27. What will be the answer of this one? Yes. It means you are going to multiply 23 by, so you will write here 27, 1 upon 3. And you will write 3 multiplied by 3 is 27. So 3 raised to the power 3. 1 upon 3. It will be cancelled. So answer will be 3. Right? Is it clear? Okay, इसका बताइए 32 fifth power. Now tell me the answer of this one. How will you solve it? Very good, Fatma. Very good, beta. You have to take the fifth root of 32. Okay, so you will write here 32 1 upon 5. Now, how many times you multiply a number for 5 times that your answer should be 32? So, what you will write here, you can see 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So, 2 is a 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So, you are multiplying 2 by 5 times. So, you will write here, you will write here 2 raised to the power 5, 1 upon 5. You cancel हो जाएगा, answer will be 2. Clear? Okay, now let's start the classwork. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's start the classwork. Now what question that you have to solve? This one. Exercise number 2.6, question number 13. Exercise number 2.7, question number 4, and we will do objectives as well. Okay. So please write it down. First write down index anywhere. Hurry up, students. Okay, these are the question 2.6, but before starting 2.6, we will do objective first. Okay, we will do objective first, right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Hamza and Hafsa, please turn on your camera. Fatma, Ishal, turn on your camera, please. Okay, should we start? Okay, now. Objectives, write down the heading of objectives. Write down the heading of objectives, and everyone has to solve it, okay? Hurry up, students, please turn on your camera. Okay, Fatma. Okay, Fatima. रुमैसा कैमरा ऑन कीजिए. जिमेल, हमजा, हफ्सा. Okay, now let's start. Number 1. Y under root 11 under root 3 minus 8 under root 3 is equals to dash. Simplify. 11 under root 3 minus 8 under root 3 is equals to dash, and you have to simplify it. Very good. Write down the answer. Very good, Anita. So what you will do, you will simply subtract the coefficient. 11 minus 8 will be 3, and under root 3 will be taken as common. Yes, Abdur Rahman. So what will be its answer? I'm going to write here. Answer will be 3 under root 3. Right? Done? Now next is this one. Now simplify. L upon M minus 3 whole power minus 3. What will be the final answer of this one? L upon M whole power minus 3. Okay, Fatma, right answer. No, Zimel, wrong answer. Yes, Ishal, your answer is right. Beta, these are very important objectives, okay? So please be attentive. Abdur Rahman, Hamza, Fauziya. Fauziya बिल्कुल भी reply नहीं करती है. Never. Fauziya, you never replied. Never. Fine, by the right answer. Okay, now look at here what you will do. If I'm going to solve it, if you want to solve it, you have to solve it in the working column. Okay, now what you have, L upon M. Look at here, those who did not understand it, L upon M bracket minus 3. So what you will do, you will take the inverse of it, so it will become m upon l, and your power will become, here you have minus 3, so it will become plus 3. Okay, now the answer will be m cube upon l cube. So answer you will write here m cube upon l cube, right? Is it clear? No, not inside the bracket. You have to give power to each term, numerator and denominator, Abdul Rahman. So answer will be m cube upon l cube, right? Now next, in minus 256, 213 dash is exponent. In minus 256 whole power 213 dash is exponent. Now what will be our exponent? No, bracket will not come. Okay, okay, Fazia. Okay, Fatma, wrong answer. Exponent. Fatma, here we are asking about exponent. So exponent is this one. So you will write here 2, 1, 3 is the final answer. Yes. Okay, now next. Which property of the real number is used in this question? Which property of real number is used in this one? Copy down the question and then tell the answer. Okay, now answer this one. AB raised to the power 6 divided by AB whole power 2. No, Zimel. Yes, Fatma, your answer is right. Beta 6 minus 2, you have to subtract it now. Look at here, what you will do here. If I'm going to solve it in working column, so you will write here A, B whole power 6 minus 2. Okay, so it will be A, B whole power 4. So answer will be A 4, B 4. So you will write here your answer will be A 4, B 4. That's it. Answer will be A4, B4. Right? Now last one. This is very simple and easy. Kindly solve it. Simple and easy. Kindly solve it. Sorry. Kindly solve it. Hurry up. Done. Done. What will be the answer of this one? Please write it down in the chat box. Yes, very good. Fatma, right answer. What about other students? What will be the answer of this one? Yes. The answer will be 2. Answer will be 2. And how you will get 2? 3 raised to the 3 under root 8 now. So you have to take the 8 cube of 8. So what you will write here? 2 multiply by 4. I'm going to write here. Just a minute. So answer will be 2 here. It is hanged. Okay, students, those who have done, they may start exercise 2.6. Hurry up. Those who have done, they may start exercise 2.6. Hurry up, everyone. Please start your work. Okay, I'm going to show you index again. Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. Everyone, please start your work. Okay, who is asking for index? Ishal, right? Ishal, just a minute. Ishal, this is index 2.6 question number 13 and 2.7 question number 4. Everyone have to do this question. 2.6 question number 13 and please camera on कीजिए. 2.6 question number 13 and 2.7 question number 4. Okay, 2.6 question number 13 and 2.7 question number 4. Okay, Fatma, you are doing your work. Okay, class time is almost over. So complete this work at home. Okay, do you have any question? If you want to ask anything, you can ask while still doing your work. Okay. Yes, Fatma. 81.